Watch right now for Mal's Tesla update.
Hello everyone, today we're doing the features part 7 and we're going to look at superchargers. Not many people know about how the supercharger works, so I've come to Park Royal of the Tesla service station, and here they've got 15 of these superchargers, and some of them are slower chargers, but these are, and you can tell when they're the right charger because they put on the wall handily 250 kilowatts. There you go, so you can't make a mistake. That's the most powerful charger there is. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you to the supercharger itself and we're going to look at the difference. So if you look at pull out the cable, there it is. It's a much thinner cable, so that is how you can distinguish between having the normal and the supercharger there.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel, and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
19 miles on left in of range, so that would mean it would take me 141 miles to charge the battery to 90%. It's got 30 minutes to do the charge, so now we're going to look at how fast it's charging. Well, if you look at it, it's going up all the time. It's going up to 420, well 430, can't keep up with it. Well, let it settle down a bit, right. 446 miles at 110 kilowatts. Now if you think that when we get our home chargers, all we can have is 32 amps at 7 kilowatts, and this is 107 kilowatts, so it's 100 kilowatts faster than what you can have at home. And if you look, it's already done 4 miles in the time I've been talking to you. And at home it would be like 27 miles, it'd be an hour before you could even see that going up. So that's good, isn't it? And that means that it's very good to come to a fast charger. And the good thing is, it costs absolutely no money, because basically when you buy the Tesla, they give you a referral code if you use someone's referral, and you can get 1,000 free supercharge miles. And I have a referral code, so I'll leave it in the description for you. You'll be able to use it, and you too will come to a supercharger for free and not have to do anything. How good is that? That's amazing, isn't it? And it makes you wonder, this is the future right here. That, you know, other companies don't have their own charging network. So that's another feature of Tesla. They've made it very simple for their motorists who are members of Tesla to be able to use the Tesla chargers and come in. And you can come in out of hours to the service centre here and use it. You know, it's not locked up. You'll be able to use it and charge your car fast. So if you need to do it within half an hour, you've got half an hour to kill. You'll be able to do it. Amazing, isn't it? And no other car offers this with such huge range and such fast charging. You know, they are quite unique in their response to bringing chargers on a network for their own customers. So you'll be able to do it. Now what I'm going to do now is, rather than we sit here for 30 minutes, it's a long time to talk to you, I'm going to do this in about 30 seconds, because I'm going to fast track it on my time-lapse video from now on, and you'll be able to see the whole thing as we go. And it'll be fast, so you'll be able to enjoy it. Right, here we go. Look at that, it's going down as we speak. Look, the time's going down. Already it's got 229, 237. Look, it's brilliant. There we go. 1 minute to go, and look, oh, there you go, 260 miles, done. 90%, all fully charged, and we're ready to go. What we're going to do now is we're going to select the icon that will give us the entertainment feature. There it is. We select it. Just there. We're going to Netflix. And as you see, Netflix will boot up. And there it is. Great. And now we're going to look at what we've got choices of, what we want to do. And yeah, we'll look at the menus. Yeah, we could do every of those, but I'm not going to put any out today because I don't want to have any copyright issues. So I'm just going to show you the pictures, and we won't be doing anything else with that. But what we will do in a minute is we will go into YouTube, and that'll be the best thing to do there. So we're just going to come out of Netflix into YouTube. Let that boot up. Yeah, that's going to boot up right now. Here we go. And okay. And there you go. I'm going to type in, rather than get anybody else's YouTube channel, I'm going to type in mine. So to find me, you just type in Mal Wayne, M-A-L-W-A-Y-N-E. There I am on top. So I select that one. And you'll know it's me. There is another Mal Wayne, but it's not me. You'll know because it's my picture there, so that's how you know it's me. Select me. And we'll look at what we're doing here. And that's when it opens up into the smart home stuff. But we want to pick a Tesla. We'll go for part 6 as we're in part 7. So we just go to part 6. And again, I'm keeping the sound out of this just so that we can keep it all together. And there you go. Well, the conclusions to the feature. It's amazing really that you can come to a supercharger, you can fill up in literally 30 minutes and you can watch a movie. What other car can do that? There isn't one. And the movie side of things was amazing. Someone wrote to Elon and said, you know what, when we're charging, our other halves are saying, can we watch a feature, a movie while we're in there? And he said, yep. And with Elon, a yep means normally it's coming in the next update. He's a man of very few words, because obviously with millions of tweets, he hasn't got time to write in the whole documentation about, yes, I'll do this, it'll be done. It's done. And that's the whole point with Teslas. And you will be able to enjoy such an amazing car every single day. It just gets better every time you use it, whatever you use, whether you charge at home, whether you charge on the supercharger. How great is this? Service station. It's got about 15 chargers here that you can use. Wonderful. Absolutely amazing. And I hope you've enjoyed this. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Watch out for part 8.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back Talking Tesla. Remember, if you're buying a new Tesla, use my referral code link here and don't forget to subscribe. It's free.